Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to understand how the world works and how the actions of some impact others. It turns out that becoming an empirical economist allowed me to do just that. My name is Cindy Lopes Bento, and I'm a professor at the University of Liewen and head of Science of Science at the Luxembourg National Research Fund. Compared to common belief, economics is not about banking or money. Instead, it is a science that analyzes the choices that individuals, businesses, or governments take and how those choices impact society. Usually, it all begins with a mountain of data and by asking the right questions. But this job not only provides the opportunity to understand how things work, it also allows to pass on knowledge to future generations through teaching, supervision, or educational activities. I further offer advice to policymakers who are the ones that can make a difference. But my policy messages are not solely related to research findings. I hope that my testimony of how I navigated through my academic journey helps to facilitate this journey for others to come. Combining an academic career with a family life can be difficult. I have 3 kids, and for each pregnancy I lived in a different country. I have brought my kids to numerous international conferences, seminars, and policy talks, which is not the conventional way of doing things. But it was, and it still is, my way of doing things, because it allows me to combine the 2 things that I am passionate about: my work and my family. Defining your own path comes with challenges and sometimes even judgments. But increasingly, people realize the effort it takes to combine multiple aspects of life, and they applaud your courage for doing so. Stepping out of my comfort zone allowed me to be where I am today, and it will hopefully allow me to go further. Never feel compelled to follow the path that others may have drawn. Instead, do things the way you need them to be for you to thrive in what you feel passionate about.